In this video, I'll show you how to analyze files with Grok AI in 2026. First, open Grok AI on your PC or Windows computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the Grok interface, open a new chat where you can upload and analyze your file. Look for the File Attachment or Upload option near the chat box. Click on it, then select the file you want to analyze from your computer. Depending on the available features in your account, Grok may support different types of files, so make sure your file format is supported. After selecting the file, wait for it to finish uploading. Once the file is attached to the conversation, you can start asking Grok questions about its contents. For example, you can ask Grok to summarize the entire document, find the most important points, explain a specific section, or extract particular information from the file. You can also give more detailed instructions. For example, you could say, summarize this document in simple language, or create a list of the key points from this file. After Grok analyzes the file, review the response carefully. If you need more information, you can ask follow-up questions about the same file. This makes it easier to explore a document without manually reading every section. You can also ask Grok to organize information into bullet points, explain complicated content, compare information, or help you understand specific parts of the document. However, always review important information against the original file, especially when working with business, academic, financial, or other important documents. Also, avoid uploading sensitive or private information unless you understand the applicable privacy and data handling settings. And that's how you can analyze files with Grok AI.